Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome. Today, we're exploring a spectacular luxury motorhome concept that perfectly blends premium comfort, cutting-edge technology, and legendary German engineering. Meet the new 2027 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, a futuristic home on wheels designed for travelers who refuse to compromise between luxury and adventure. Inspired by the innovation and craftsmanship of Mercedes-Benz, this remarkable motorhome brings together elegant styling, intelligent features, and exceptional performance to create one of the most desirable RV concepts of the future. The first thing you'll notice is its stunning exterior. Rather than following the traditional boxy RV design, the 2027 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome embraces sleek, aerodynamic proportions that improve efficiency while giving it an unmistakably premium presence. The front fascia is dominated by an illuminated Mercedes-Benz grille, featuring the iconic three-pointed star, complemented by ultra-slim digital light LED headlights that provide incredible visibility while giving the vehicle a sophisticated and futuristic appearance. Flowing body lines extend seamlessly from front to rear, creating a streamlined silhouette that looks elegant from every angle. Flush-mounted door handles, gloss black trim, polished chrome accents, and massive multi-spoke alloy wheels complete the upscale appearance. Large panoramic smart glass windows stretch nearly the full length of the cabin, flooding the interior with natural light while allowing passengers to adjust tint levels electronically for maximum privacy. Practicality has not been overlooked. Hidden exterior storage compartments provide generous space for luggage, camping equipment, sports gear, and outdoor furniture. Integrated solar panels built into the roof continuously recharge the onboard battery systems, allowing extended off-grid adventures with greater energy independence. When parked, the motorhome truly transforms. Electrically operated slide-out sections extend from both sides, dramatically increasing the available living space. The roof expands into a luxurious sky lounge complete with premium seating, ambient lighting, retractable sunshades, and panoramic viewing areas. Whether overlooking a mountain range, a beachfront sunset, or a peaceful forest, the rooftop lounge becomes one of the most enjoyable places to relax. The rear design continues the premium theme with a full-width LED light bar, illuminated Mercedes-Benz lettering, and an electrically powered tailgate providing easy access to an impressive cargo compartment. Every detail reflects the precision and elegance expected from Mercedes-Benz. Stepping inside reveals an interior that rivals some of the world's finest luxury apartments. Premium Napa leather, sustainably sourced open-pore wood, brushed aluminum accents, polished glass surfaces, and handcrafted stitching create an atmosphere of understated elegance. Every material feels rich and meticulously finished. The main lounge serves as the heart of the cabin. Plush captain's chairs rotate to face a beautifully designed seating area, centered around a large retractable transparent OLED display. Heated, ventilated, and massaging seats ensure exceptional comfort on both short trips and cross-country adventures. Intelligent ambient lighting with dozens of customizable colors allows owners to tailor the cabin's mood throughout the day. The panoramic glass roof enhances the sense of openness, while automatically adjusting its tint to reduce glare and heat. Combined with advanced sound insulation and triple-layer acoustic glass, the cabin remains incredibly quiet even at highway speeds. Entertainment is handled by a premium surround sound audio system featuring strategically positioned speakers that deliver immersive sound quality throughout the living area. High-speed satellite internet and onboard Wi-Fi transform the motorhome into a fully connected mobile office or entertainment center. The kitchen reflects Mercedes-Benz's focus on intelligent luxury. Premium quartz countertops, hidden storage compartments, brushed aluminum cabinetry, and integrated LED lighting create a clean and sophisticated workspace. The fully equipped kitchen includes an induction cooktop, convection oven, smart refrigerator, dishwasher, espresso machine, wine cooler, and advanced touch-sensitive controls. Clever storage solutions maximize every inch without making the space feel crowded. Adjacent to the kitchen sits an elegant dining area with seating for 4 adults. The beautifully crafted table folds away when not in use and can also convert into an additional sleeping area if needed. Moving toward the rear, the master bedroom offers true 5-star comfort. A king-size floating bed with a premium memory foam mattress dominates the room. Surrounded by customizable ambient lighting and panoramic smart glass walls that transition from transparent to opaque with the touch of a button. Wake up to breathtaking views or enjoy complete privacy whenever desired. The bedroom also includes spacious wardrobes, hidden storage compartments, wireless charging pads, integrated entertainment displays, premium reading lights, and independent climate controls. Every detail has been carefully engineered to create a relaxing sanctuary after a long day of travel. Next to the bedroom is a luxurious spa-inspired bathroom. Heated marble effect flooring, a spacious rainfall shower, illuminated mirrors, premium fixtures, and advanced water purification systems create an environment comparable to a luxury hotel suite. Intelligent water recycling technology helps maximize efficiency during extended off-grid adventures. Performance is equally impressive. The 2027 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is expected to utilize a sophisticated plug-in hybrid drivetrain that combines a turbocharged 6-cylinder engine with powerful electric motors. Together, they are expected to produce approximately 650 horsepower, delivering smooth acceleration and remarkable efficiency despite the vehicle's substantial size. The intelligent 4MATIC all-wheel drive system continuously monitors road conditions and automatically distributes power for optimal traction on highways, gravel roads, snowy conditions, and steep inclines. Instant electric torque makes overtaking effortless, while regenerative braking helps maximize battery efficiency. Ride comfort benefits from Mercedes-Benz's advanced adaptive aerodynamic suspension system, which continuously adjusts ride height and damping based on road conditions. Whether cruising on smooth highways or navigating uneven terrain, passengers experience exceptional comfort with minimal vibration and body movement. Safety remains one of Mercedes-Benz's greatest strengths. The motorhome is expected to include the latest generation of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, driver attention monitoring, semi-autonomous highway driving, and a complete 360-degree camera system. The driver's cockpit features Mercedes-Benz's next-generation panoramic digital dashboard, stretching across the width of the cabin. Navigation, energy management, vehicle diagnostics, entertainment, and smart home controls are seamlessly integrated into one intuitive interface. The latest MBUX artificial intelligence system learns driver preferences and responds naturally to voice commands, allowing effortless control of lighting, climate, navigation, multimedia, and vehicle settings. Connectivity is another standout feature. Over-the-air software updates, 5G connectivity, satellite internet, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, cloud-based diagnostics, remote vehicle monitoring, and smart home integration ensure the motorhome remains connected wherever the journey leads. Owners can remotely monitor battery levels, interior temperature, security systems, and charging status directly from their smartphones. Now let's talk about pricing. If this remarkable concept were to reach production, industry analysts estimate a starting price of approximately $350,000 for the standard luxury model. Fully customized flagship versions featuring bespoke interiors, expanded living modules, premium technology packages, exclusive handcrafted finishes, and personalized design options could easily exceed $700,000, placing it among the most luxurious production motorhomes in its class. The 2027 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome represents an exciting vision of what premium RV travel could become. It successfully combines elegant German engineering, intelligent technology, exceptional comfort, and remarkable practicality into one beautifully designed package. For travelers seeking the freedom of the open road without sacrificing luxury, this extraordinary concept demonstrates that the future of motorhome living is smarter, more comfortable, and more refined than ever before. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next journey.